Have you ever thought about having $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 of free cash money coming into your business bank account? Hey everybody, I'm gonna share with you all how to write a winning grant application. There is so much money out there for small business owners and side hustlers like yourself. And I want you to start your business or scale your business with as little risk as possible. And that comes when you're able to have other people's money fund your business. And the best way that you can do that is with grants, which is free money that you do not have to pay back. And so the key to creating a winning grant application, which will make these sponsors want to throw money at you, and I know what I'm about to say might be a little hard to understand, so just bear with me. Do you all remember the quote, "It's not what you know, but who you know"? And so we can apply that to the grant application itself, because you need to get as much face time with the grant sponsors as possible. You need to be emailing them so that you and your business can be top of mind. I recently launched a $1,000 grant contest where Catherine was chosen as the winner. And if you want to know why, it was because Catherine reached out to me before submitting the grant application, letting me know who she was and that she was very excited and thankful for this grant opportunity. She didn't even stop there. Once she was able to move to the second round, she reached out again and was like, should I send a 5-year plan or financial projections? She made it her mission to constantly get FaceTime so that we would know who she was and have her top of mind when reading through all the grants. Secondly, it's really important to have a network. About half of the grant applicants for the Financial Freedom Grant had less than 10 votes. And I know you all have friends, family, and customers. It is important that they are able to show up for you and your business. You have to be able to reach out to people and say, hey, I need you to vote for me for this grant. Hey, do you mind knowledge sharing as it relates to XYZ? It's really important that you build up your network so that you can rely on people to vote for you, because when it comes to corporate grants, they want to know you have a network of people who are rooting for your business to succeed. The third step to creating a winning grant application is reading through the requirements carefully. So if a grant wants to give money away to a woman-owned business, if you don't fit those qualifications, then this grant opportunity is not for you. And so it's very important that you read through who the grant sponsor wants to give this money to, because as you know, time is money, and I do not need you wasting your time on filling out a grant that isn't a good fit for you and your business. The fourth step to creating a winning grant application is to do any and all of the extra credit, whether that is making a couple of videos talking about you and the grant, or whether that is adding more examples of your work in your portfolio. If grant sponsors are giving you the opportunity to go the extra mile, then do it, because others won't. And so I saw this with my grant, only 25% did the extra credit. And so those who did the extra credit, who put in the additional time, are definitely gonna have a better chance of getting the grant than those who did not. The fifth step to writing a winning grant application is practice. A lot of people reached out to me and said the grant that my business gave away was the first grant that they had ever applied to. And then once they did, they found out how easy the process was. And so if you don't apply, you cannot get the grant money. And if you don't practice writing grants, then you're not giving yourself the best chance of winning this money. So don't be afraid to apply for that grant if you are a good fit and you meet the requirement. And I would say for the sixth step is to know what you would do with the grant money if you were to win it. It's really important to break down and say, hey, 10% is going to go towards marketing, 80% is going to go towards hiring a new employee, and the last 10% is going to go towards business expansion and being able to really break down what you plan on doing with the grant money once you've already won it really looks good to the grant sponsors. And the seventh step to creating a winning grant application is to practice your communication skills. You have to be able to sell yourself and your vision in a very beautifully eloquent way that makes everybody just go, wow, I want to give this person a bunch of money because I know that they are going places. I know I believe in you and what you can do. You got to be able to tell others and get them to hop on board with you. And so these are 7 very helpful steps on how to create a winning grant application. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building. Bye.